Good evening, cute child. What are you doing in vacations? Are you enjoying your vacations? I hope you all are enjoying. And again, I am here to give you some instructions about computer. This lecture is ICT, and ICT means computers. So it's your computers lecture. In this lecture, we learn about computer. That what is computer? Do you know what is computer? Yes, computer is an electronic machine. Computer is an electronic machine. And name different parts of computer. These parts are monitor, mouse, keyboard, CPU. Read with me. These parts are monitor, mouse, keyboard, CPU. And in this lecture, we will learn about CPU. So, today our question is, what is CPU? CPU is the brain of computer. Read with me. CPU is the brain of computer. CPU is the brain of computer. Question of the day is, what is CPU? And the answer is, CPU is the brain of computer. CPU is the brain of computer. So kids, you have to mind it that what is CPU? CPU is the brain of computer. Okay, bye. See you again with any other lecture. Bye.